Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Today I am thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet creativity. Today I'm thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. We are going to explore our best crochet collection for women. We have different types of crochet designs. In this video, we show you the some Christmas crochet scarf designs collection. We have some unique collection of crochet Christmas scarf designs. These all collection are very useful in winter. These collection will definitely helps you to improve your personality. These Christmas scarf design are very looking stunning. These all crochet scarf design are very beautiful. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of Christmas crochet scarf designs. These are all handmade Christmas crochet scarf design. You can see the beauty of these Christmas crochet scarf designs collection. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design, new ideas, Christmas crochet scarf designs collection, beautiful different color combination, Christmas crochet scarf designs collection. Beautiful different color Christmas crochet scarf designs. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my video.